Hi, I'm Patricia from Trisha's Lovely Creations, and today I'd like to share a tip with you. I'm working on making wires for hanging my beads, and I believe what I have here is 24 gauge wire. Make it a good length, not too long, not too short. I might have gone too long on that. But taking my round nose pliers, I make a little curly cue at the end for my bead stopper. And I twist it about 3 times or so. Kind of squish it down, make sure it's holding. And then I use these number 5 straight bugle beads down at the bottom so that it has a long line to drip off of away from the bead. I think it helps prevent a clog up down at the last bead so that you don't have all that sitting on top of your bead. So they're pretty good size. I guess you can see it there. Okay, then I string on my beads, and in between them I use number 2 straight bugle bead so that they're not touching. If my fingers would work, that would be great. Anyways, I have a cup of Pleade Multi surface in a plastic container cup. I get to see through so I can exactly see how much is in it. So when I get up to where I got enough for a good hook, I use my finger and just fold it over my finger to make the hook. And then I put it in the cup, stir it about, get all the beads nice and covered, tap it off, and hang it in my bead wire rack. And I'll show you that here in just a second. I would show you how I do it, but I got a full rack, so. But there's my rack, and those are drying, so they're not done yet, so that's why I can't do any more and put it up there to show you. But that's all there is to it. And if this video helps you out, please like, share, comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye, have a great day.